English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, and mastering it can open up many doors for you. But how can you improve your English skills without spending a lot of money or time? The answer is ChatGPT. Hello and welcome to WizCabin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to learn and practice English. Let's begin. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that can help you improve your vocabulary, grammar, and conversational skills. Whether a beginner or an advanced learner, ChatGPT can provide personalized feedback and challenges to take your English to the next level. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a language model that has been trained on a vast amount of text data, including books, articles, and online conversations. It uses an unsupervised learning technique to understand and generate human-like language. When you use ChatGPT, you can interact with it through a chatbot interface, where you can type or speak to it. You can also choose your English level, from beginner to advanced, to get personalized feedback and challenges. Now, let's see how you can use ChatGPT to practice vocabulary and grammar. One of the most effective ways to learn new words and expressions is through context. With ChatGPT, you can ask it to provide you with a sentence or a paragraph that contains a specific word or phrase you want to learn. For example, if you want to learn the word eloquent, you can ask ChatGPT to give you a sentence with that word, and it will respond with a sample sentence. Another way to practice vocabulary is to ask ChatGPT to define a word for you. Simply type or speak the word, and ChatGPT will provide you with a definition and an example of how to use it in a sentence. When it comes to grammar, ChatGPT can also help you correct your mistakes. For example, if you type or speak a sentence with incorrect grammar, ChatGPT can analyze it and provide you with feedback on what you need to fix. This is a great way to practice grammar in a more interactive and personalized way. Next, let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT to improve your conversational skills. One of the most important aspects of conversational English is being able to keep the conversation flowing. With ChatGPT, you can practice conversational turn-taking, which means taking turns in the conversation just like in a real-life conversation. You can start by asking ChatGPT a question, such as, "Could you talk to me in English? Let's talk about hobbies." Then, you can follow up with a related question. This way, you can practice asking and answering questions and keep the conversation going. Another way to improve your conversational skills is to practice expressing your opinions and ideas. With ChatGPT, you can share your thoughts on a wide range of topics, from politics to sports to entertainment. You can also ask ChatGPT for its opinions and then compare your views. The key to improving your English is consistent practice and feedback. Chat can provide you with both, and it's a fun and interactive way to learn. So, don't be afraid to make mistakes, ask questions, and try new things. With Chat, you can take your English to the next level and gain more confidence in your speaking and writing skills. That's it for this video on how to use ChatGPT for learning and practicing English. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.